Yo, what up? Peace and blessing to the fam. This your big homie Jared. You're rocking with the Retro Insider YouTube channel. Thank you all you new and returning visitors for checking out the video. If you are new and like unboxings, sneakers like the one we got today, please consider subscribing. I think you'll like what we have on the channel. So without any further ado, let's get into this M990GL5 in 11.5, which is my size. Now this is a made in the USA shoe, as you can tell from the box. A staple, a absolute staple, a shoe that if you consider yourself a legitimate bona fide sneakerhead, you gotta have this New Balance 990, not in your collection, but in your rotation. This is a shoe that you must wear. This is so easy to rock. This gray New Balance 990 V5. Now this shoe originally released back in 2019, sometime in like May or March. I think it was like May. So yeah, all gray, classic New Balance gray. The brand is known for this color. So let's get into the material starting out first. So let's talk about this suede. New Balance suede, best in the business in my opinion. And yeah, all around the shoe, mid panel, all around the toe area. Then coming up here at the top, we got overlays of this kind of like synthetic material in this darker gray. Then we got this very nice breathable mesh in another shade of gray, kind of got a little glossy look to it. And at this toe box, what you're seeing is 3M right here. So moving over to the side, what you have is 3M in right here, some more of that mesh. Then we have this stability support strap right here, this plastic. Some people say they don't like that about the 990 V5. I think I do in comparison to what was on the V4. Both great shoes, but I think I like that. So moving on to the back, you got your hits of 3M in this V, which is a Roman numeral 5 right there. We got this New Balance in this heel tab here. And then moving on to the bottom of the shoe, we got this light gray, then this, well, two-tone gray, end cap, midsole, extremely comfortable shoe. So if we look on the inside here, we got this Ortho Light Insole Ultra Soft Comfort insert. So one of the most comfortable shoes on the market, period. I mean, just without a doubt. So if you're looking for a shoe that is not only wearable but comfortable and quality, check out the New Balance 990 V5. I probably don't even have to tell a lot of you that, but you already know. But this is a fresh pair. Fortunately, I was able to take advantage of a deal on Bloomingdales.com and got these for $111, $120 shipped. So this shoe retails for $175, but a lot of times you can get these for under retail. Probably not too much under retail right now, just because this is a popular shoe. But do some searching around. You should be able to get a good deal on this. Or of course, you can always get it from newbalance.com. And I'll put a link in the description where you can get it directly from New Balance. And if you do that, hey, I think you won't not be disappointed if you're not familiar with the shoe. So as far as sizing, these run a little bit long to me. So 998s, I wear a 12. Most other New Balances I wear a 12, but in the 990 V5 I have to go down a half size. So that's why you see an 11.5. A little bit of room in that toe for sure. But you know, if you don't know exactly what size you need to wear, I've said it in other videos and I'll say it in this one. New Balance does offer free shipping and returns if you are a member of their rewards program. So just order 2 sizes, see which ones fit, and then return the next one that doesn't, and then you're good to go. So the 990 V5, M990GL5 right here. Yeah, man, I apologize. I haven't been dropping content as much as I should. I thought with all this quarantine and COVID-19 stuff, I would be able to drop a little bit more, but it seems like I work more from home than I do in the office. So strange as that works, just wanted to give you guys another video. So in the comments below, let me know what you think about the New Balance 990 V5. Is it your favorite V5? I mean 990, or tell me which one is your favorite. Yeah, but anyways, thank you so much for checking out the video. I'll probably have to do a separate on foot, but thank you for checking it out. Until next time, y'all take care, stay humble and proceed.